Are you a healthcare professional and planning to move abroad or United Arab Emirates but wondering about what is the actual format of the CV? Then this video is for you. Guys, in UAE healthcare or any other healthcare, your CV is not just a formality. In fact, it is your first impression to any hospital or HR. Remember, a well structured CV will definitely set you apart. So let's dive into it and see how you can structure your CV. Hey friends, this is Dr. Ashish and welcome back to my channel, The Vital Diaries, where today's episode is focusing about how you can structure your CV to apply jobs in UAE or anywhere else abroad. So first, let's see what are the components of a well-structured CV. It starts with first your personal informations, second your professional qualifications, third is your licensing and your certificates, fourth is your educational summary, fifth is your clinical experiences, sixth is research and publications if you have done any, seventh is your skills and your language proficiency, eighth is the references, which are very important. So let's see all the points one by one and let's see how you can structure your CV perfectly. And guys, don't forget to watch the video till the end because I'll be summarizing lots of do's and don'ts which will help you in making your CV perfect. Let's start with the first point as personal information. It starts with your full name as it is registered in your passport. Include your nationality, include your date of birth, specify the gender as well. You can specify marital status, but that's optional. Specify your professional social media handles like LinkedIn. There are few specialties like plastic surgery, dermatologist. If you want to join a private clinic, you can add your active professional social media handles like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook if you have any. Guys, lots of people say that a professional photograph is not required in the CV, but as far as my knowledge is concerned, for doctors, a well professional photo, just like we click for the passport, is good to keep in your CV. Now, let's see about your professional summary. Write first your total years of experience, which matters a lot if you are applying for a job in UAE, even anywhere else abroad. Then specify your area of interest, like in plastic surgery, in dermatology, in cardiology, in any of like orthopedic surgeon. If you are a general surgeon, then specify your area of interest and definitely specify your area of specialization as well. If you hold any special fellowship certificates, any experience certificate, okay. Then your licensing eligibility status. If you are applying a job in UAE, then definitely you should be writing your either you are DHA eligible, either you are DOH eligible, either you are MOH eligible. For the people who are already working in UAE, you can add your license detail as well if you are planning to switch your job from one hospital to another hospital or from a full-time job to multiple part-time job options. Don't forget to mention in your professional summary about your core strength like patient care, like your social skills, your communication skills, etc. Now let's see in the third point, which includes your licensing and certifications. If you are applying for UAE, definitely your first point here should be either you are DHA eligible, DOH eligible or MOH eligible, or you have license of either of the Emirates. If you are applying for UK, then you have to specify either you are GMC registered. Likewise in US and Australia or Europe, you can specify if you are eligible or if you have cleared their respective exams. Then second comes your other certificates like your BLS, your ATLS, your PALS, or your ACLS certificates. All these licensing and certificates you should be including in your section number 3. There are other certificates as well, like if you are applying for a specific role, like you have in a research role, or if you are applying for an academic role, then you can include those certificates in this section. In the fourth section, where you will add education, first you will write your the most superior degree, either it is DM or MCH, either it is MD or MS. Write the university name, write your duration up to which you were working there or doing your residency from year to year. Okay. Then comes your any specific fellowships or certificate. Some people after doing MD or MS, they go for some fellowships, rather DM or MCH. Then don't forget to add your those fellowships or certificates in this section as well. Now let's talk about if you are a dentist, you are an endodontist, and you have special privilege of putting implants. If you are a prosthodontist, you have special privilege of putting implants. You are a maxillofacial surgeon, you have special privilege of doing any type of specific surgery. For dermatologists or plastic surgeons, if you are privileged to perform lasers, if you are privileged to perform non-invasive procedures like Botox or fillers, don't forget to mention your additional privileges in this section if you are applying for a UAE job.
Stay tuned with us for part 2 and learn how to make your CV stand out.